This family-friendly experiment turns a cardboard ramp into a marble roller coaster, teaching gravity and friction. A heavy marble speeds down while a lighter one slows in the grooves, showing how mass and texture affect motion. Raise or lower the slope and add a soft barrier to see energy shift from potential to kinetic, and how friction turns it into heat. All you need are household items: cardboard, tape, a plastic tray, and marbles, making it a breeze for families. As marbles race, a quick kid-friendly explanation ties the science to playground slides, cars, and daily life.